We'll guide you through how to run React.js in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the video to Pauser, who's going to continue.
We need to install Node.js on our system. React depends on Node.js and npm to work properly. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then once your browser is open, just go to the search bar and just go ahead and search for Node.js and hit enter. Now just go to the official website for Node.js and click on get Node.js. From here you can choose your operating system and then just go ahead and choose installer or zip file. I'm just gonna go ahead and go with installer, and now your setup exe file will be successfully downloaded. Once that it has been downloaded, just go ahead and open your file explorer and navigate to your downloads folder, and here you'll see Node.js installer. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. And now here, if you see Windows protected your PC, just click on more info and click on run anyway. And now click on next. Just read through the terms in license agreement and click on I accept the terms in license agreement and click on next. And here you can change your destination folder and click on next. And you can leave most of the options at default and click on install. Just click on yes if prompted and just wait for the installation to complete. After that, just go ahead and click on finish. Now let's verify Node.js has been installed correctly. So just go to your Windows search bar and type cmd and hit enter to open the command prompt. Now in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type node space -v and hit enter. And if you see a version number, it means Node.js has been installed correctly. Now you can also verify npm by just go ahead and typing npm space -v and hit enter. And now if this also shows a version number, npm has been installed correctly as well. Now just go to your Windows search bar and open VS Code. And now here, just go to the top left and click on File and choose to open a new folder. Now you can either choose an existing folder or create a new one. For this example, I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new one inside Documents. So I'll just click on a new folder to create a new folder. So I'm just gonna name it something like React Project and hit enter twice to go inside the folder and click on select folder. Now your folder will be opened inside VS Code. Just click on yes, I trust the authors. Now I'm just gonna close the welcome screen. You can see React project has been created. Now let's go to the terminal at the top and click on new terminal. And now here, just go ahead and type this particular command. Just type npx space create -react -app space, and then just go ahead and type your app name. You can replace it with any name that you prefer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type something like my app. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. If it asks you for confirmation, just go ahead and press Y on your keyboard and hit enter. React will now download and install the required file and dependencies. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So just wait for it to finish. And once the process finishes, you will notice a new folder with your app name inside of it. Now here, when I expand my React app, you will see different files such as node module public and src. This means React application has been created successfully. Now we need to enter the project directory in the terminal. So just go ahead and type cd and your app name, which in my case is going to be my app, and hit enter. And now you can see we are successfully inside the folder. Now to run the application, just go ahead and enter the following command. Just go ahead and type npm space start and hit enter. Now if Windows Firewall asks for permission, click on allow access, and after a few seconds, the React development server will start and default browser should open automatically. You should now see the default React page with message similar to edit src/app.js and save to reload. This content comes from the app.js file located inside the src folder. Any changes you make to that file will automatically appear in the browser without needing to restart the application. And now your React.js app is running successfully inside of VS Code. And that's it. That's how you create and run your first React.js app in VS Code.